Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my recipes. Since I am focusing on this oven, actually it is a OTG, that is the oven, toaster and griller. So I want you all to make a guess. So something is going to bake today in Food Chemistry's kitchen. Here I am with the ingredients. As I mentioned that I am planning to bake something in Food Chemistry's kitchen. So I will tell you, I am going to make homemade wheat-based banana muffins or cupcakes. Sounds interesting, right? So all the week I was thinking like what can I prepare for the weekend. So I figured it out and this is what I am going to show you. So this is the 2 cups of wheat flour. So I have strained and keep this aside. This is 2 cups of organic jaggery. So this is in the powder form. I'm going to replace sugar with the jaggery. This is another interesting ingredient for today's recipe, that is the dry ginger. So for making the banana cupcakes, I'm going to make use of this. You might have seen in other baking videos as well. Here comes the another interesting ingredient, that is the cinnamon powder. So cinnamon powder will be the key of today's ingredient. Even I am trying this for the first time, so let's see how it works. This is the combination of baking soda and baking powder. So 1 to 1.5 combination you have to take. As we have seen our dry ingredients for the banana muffins, we will move towards the wet ingredients. So this is 6 bananas. I have mashed them. Here I have used this small bananas which I got from the market. You can make use of other bananas of your choice. But I find this very interesting and tasty, so I am using this for my recipe. Almost 1 cup of milk. So this is full cream milk. You can use normal milk also. As I am not going to use any kind of eggs into my recipe, I am planning to make use of curd. So this is 1 small cup of curd. This is plain butter. So you can use unsalted butter or even you can make use of desi ghee. This is 2 tablespoons. And the vanilla extract. So these are our combination of wet ingredients. So let's quickly start with the banana muffins. I have mixed all the dry ingredients together. Here you can see that. I will keep this aside and now I will start with my wet ingredients. Make sure that you pour milk as per the requirement. Don't put all together. Next is the curd. I will maintain the consistency. Butter. Here I am ready with my dry ingredients and also with my wet ingredients, and simultaneously I have applied butter to my cupcake mold. Well, you can make use of such paper cupcakes and put this so that the cupcakes will get a nice grip from the oven, but these are little bigger, so I'm not planning to use this. Moving toward the further step, so we have to mix these ingredients together and put this into a mold. So let's do that. As you can see, our batter is ready to put into the muffins mold. The beautiful golden color has come because we have used organic jaggery and the cinnamon powder. Make sure you use these 2 ingredients in your recipe. Let's move toward the final step. Just remember that you don't have to put this batter till the mouth, means it should be little less, because when it will be baked it will rise up. So fill that molds accordingly. So my OTG has notified that the cupcakes are ready. Let's have a look. Wow, look at them. So delicious. Here you can just make use of a simple toothpick. So here I have taken a toothpick to check. Wow, it has baked properly. You can see this. Make sure that the toothpick should come out clean. It should not get stick. So that means the toothpick says our cupcakes are baked properly. I am ready with my homemade wheat-based banana muffins. You can have this in evening snacks or also in the morning when you are willing to have your tea or coffee. This is really healthy and it has turned really well. I have checked this, so you can see this. It's soft and delicious. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Please subscribe and support to Food Chemistry. Thank you so much for watching.